Ready?
Set, go!
Okay, quiz on the Philippines, general knowledge.
General knowledge.
Okay, what is the capital city of the Philippines? A. Cebu, B. Davao, C. Manila.
Go!
Manila.
Tama, Manila. What is the national flower of the Philippines? A. Sampaguita, B.
Ay, wala
Orchid.
pa!
A. Sampaguita, B. Orchids, C. Sunflower.
Hey!
Tama, A.
Yun yung paano yan. Nasa gitna yun ako.
Okay. What is the traditional Filipino martial arts? A. Muay Thai, B. Arnis, C. Karate.
Arnis.
Tama, Arnis. What is the famous Filipino dish made with marinated meat skewer? Adobo, A. Adobo, B. Sinigang, C. Barbecue.
Ano?
Adobo!
Mali.
Ano? Sinigang.
Mali. Barbecue ang sagot. What is the largest island in the Philippines? A. Luzon, B. Cebu, C. Mindanao.
Son.
Tama, letter A, Luzon. What is the famous waterfall located in Laguna, Philippines? A. Maria Cristina, B. Pagsanghan, C. Tinago. Tama, B. Pagsanghan. What is the oldest city in the Philippines? A. Cebu City, B. Manila, C. Bigan.
Manila.
Mali.
Galing ko ang hula.
What is the oldest city in the Philippines? A. Cebu City, B. Manila, C. Bigan.
Cebu.
Tama, Cebu City, letter A.
Sabi ko sa inyo, DNA.
Which volcanic island is home to the world's smallest fish, the Pandacan Pygmea? A. Mayon Volcano, C. B. Taal Volcano, C. Mount Pinatubo.
C.
Mali.
Uy! Mali na yun eh.
A. Mayon Volcano, B. Taal Volcano, C. Mount Pinatubo.
Tama yung mga dito eh. Tama.
Tama, Taal Volcano. Letter
Malaki yun.
A.
Tahal lang naman kasi yung may ano. Yung dagat.
Okay. What is the national dish of the Philippines? A. Adobo, B. Sinigang, C. Lechon.
Adobo.
Tama, adobo. Letter A. Which Filipino boxer is known as Pambansang Kamao or National Team? A. Jerry Penalosa, B. Nonito Donaire, C. Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao, si!
Uy!
Tama, C. Manny Pacquiao. What is a traditional Filipino boat made of wood and bamboo? A. Bangka, B. Galyon, C. Katamaran.
Wait lang! Hey! Wait lang!
Sipang na. Bangka, letter A. Okay. Which Filipino dessert is made with shaved ice, sweetened fruit, and evaporated milk? A. Leche flan, B. Buko pandan, C. Halo-halo.
Halo.
Halo-halo. Okay. What is the smallest province in the Philippines in terms of area? A. Batanes, B. Camiguin, C. Siquijor.
Patanes! Bakit to? Nakamay ko.
Raya.
Ano kaya ulit ng ano?
A. Batanes, B. Camiguin, C. Siquijor.
Oh, yan. So, ikaw na.
Ay!
Tama, A. Batanes. In what year did the Philippines gain independence from the United States? A. 1898, B. 1946, C. 1965.
1965.
What?
Mali.
Hey! Hey!
Mali. Letter B. 1946.
1998.
Okay. What is the nickname given to the jeepney in the Philippines? A. Roaming taxis, B. King of the road, C. The people's chariot.
A.
Mali.
B.
Tama. B. King of the road.